remember he would always offer coffee to anybody who's sitting around him. And I remember the first time he offered me coffee, and I said, I was a bit shy, and I said no because I didn't know how to say, like, what to say, and I said no. And then I was thinking that, oh my God, Shruti, if Abhishek Bachchan offers you coffee, you should drink it. So the next time when he offered me coffee again, without thinking twice, I just said yes. And then I was like, okay, thankfully now he might think that I'm polite. As a character, I have to be comfortable with it. I think this was such a scene where it had to just come out and it had to just flow, right? So you can't really think about, oh, now I'm going to do this and I'm going to put my hand here or there, such things. So you just have to be in your character and just be true to the scene. And actually it was just one take, to be honest. We never had a second take of that scene, of that particular moment at least.
So hi guys, today we have with us Shruti Bhavna, basking in all the success for her recently released web series Breathe Into the Shadows. Welcome to India Forums.
Hi Priyanka, thank you so much.
First of all, heartiest congratulations. Breathe is really making a lot of noise and all of the characters are being applauded. How were the feelings?
Right. It feels great. It feels validated. It's nice to be appreciated for your work. And I feel it was high time that people put a face to all the characters that I've been playing all these years. So I feel grateful and thankful for all the love that's been coming in.
One of the best compliments that you have received, and from whom so far?
Oh, there's just been way too much love coming in. Yeah, बहुत ही beautiful wishes, बहुत encouraging notes everybody's been sending. But recently, एक तो बहुत ही funny था. उन्होंने लिखा था, प्लीज मैम अपने गले में नींबू मिर्ची डाल के घुमा कीजिए. So that was very funny. And then there was another one which was very sweet as well, that a friend of mine actually had written ki I didn't feel you were acting. A lot of such messages have been coming in, so it feels very good. Yeah, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा.
Talking about your character, this one has been little different from all the previous ones, and let's call it an intense character as well. So when you read the script, were you at any point apprehensive before taking it up, or what were your thoughts going on in your mind at that point?
I wasn't apprehensive for taking up the role. I was a bit apprehensive on the intimate scene. Because वो थोड़े से inhibitions तो होते ही हैं, such scenes are not as comfortable as they look, whether it's with a male co-actor or with a female co-actor. But then, of course, I understood the necessity of having that scene in that in the role, because it is developing from the emotion of lust, and that's how she turns into a victim. So it was imperative for the story. And I understood that, and that's why I went ahead, and I did not, really focus my attention on just that. I started building my character. I started discovering Natasha, and whatever I was required to do for that, I did that. So I started, thinking differently. I started looking at women differently. I started observing them, and really tried to dive into the psychology of a homosexual woman. And I felt that if I develop the character well enough that I become comfortable with the idea, then obviously it's going to reflect on screen, and that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted myself, I wanted Natasha to look as confident as she is, as a woman, as a homosexual woman, and that should reflect on screen when she's doing an intimate scene with another woman. So I just went into that, I dived into that, and then let it flow.
Was your character the only reason that drew you to Breathe, or were there other aspects as well?
Of course, there were various factors. It's an Amazon show. I've been wanting to work on an Amazon platform on Amazon for a very long time, and I'm glad that it came to me in this way, because of the names attached to the show. It has Abhishek and it has Amit and Nitya, all wonderful actors, and the entire ensemble is very lovely. And I would really, I had no two thoughts about being a part of this sort of a show. It is a class apart. So yeah, I did not really think much on those grounds.
Talking about Natasha, there is
Talking
a
about
scene
Natasha,
which is
there is a
very
scene
intense,
which
in
is
the
very
in the
intense,
end of your before
in
your
the end
character
of your
takes off.
before your
So,
character takes off.
was there any
So,
ice-breaking session between you and
was there
Nitya?
any
Like,
ice-breaking
what
session
were your
between you
discussion?
and
Like, did you guys
Nitya?
sit
Like,
and discuss that?
what
Okay,
were your
okay, we're
discussion?
going
Like,
to
did
do
you
this,
guys sit and
and that's
discuss
how
that?
we're
Okay,
gonna pull
okay, we're
off
going to
the
do this,
scene.
and that's how we're
Was
going to
there any
pull off the
discussion
Are you
scene.
talking
done
about?
before
Was
that?
there any discussion?
Are you talking about the climax scene?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm talking about the
Okay.
climax scene. Where so you and Nitya, did you guys have any kind of ice breaking session? कि, okay, ऐसा करेंगे, because it's difficult to pull it off, and there is of course mental. You need a kind of mental stability as well. Okay, you need to understand it completely. So how did you guys prepare, both of you, you and Nitya?
So definitely, I mean, Mayank sir and me and Nitya, we discussed the scene very well, and we kind of understood what we wanted and what was the way that we wanted to do it, and we knew, what is the graph, and how to take it tastefully and respectfully. So that's the only thing I think we really focused on. I mean, more than anything, it was just something very organic. Because as a character, I have to be comfortable with it. So it was just, coming together of these two characters, like Aarti and Natasha, being in their own sort of thought process that's going on, because she has another intention, I have another intention, and we both have to stay true to those lines, to those grounds. And if we're both doing our part equally well, then it would just translate on screen. So, we knew what is the character graph for each of us, and we only focused on that. And Mayank sir was just. He just made everything around very comfortable for us. So when you're shooting something like this, obviously it's important that we have limited number of people, and you're only having the ones that are needed to shoot the scene. So all those things were taken care of, and then I think sometimes you just let it flow organically, and it makes it look more natural rather than really focusing on each and every step, because then it doesn't work sometimes. I think this was such a scene where it had to just come out and it had to just flow, right? So you can't really think about, oh, now I'm going to do this and now I'm going to put my hand here or there, such things. So you just have to be in your character and just be true to the scene. That's it. So yeah, we just focused on doing that, and actually it was just one take, to be honest. We never had a second take of that scene, of that particular moment at least. So I think the director was happy with what we did, and he was happy to just move on to another part of the scene.
So, talking about Abhishek and Nitya, how has it been working with them, and any good quality that you liked about them and you admired about them?
Abhishek has been wonderful to work with. Abhishek, I've definitely been a fan, from right from his first film. And before I actually became a part of Breathe, I just watched Man Marzia and I was really crushing over him. So when I got the show, I was absolutely very excited to work with him. And yes, he's just so warm. He's very, he's so respectful, so courteous, so chivalrous. One of the best men that I have met in my life. He's such a gentleman, and he's so witty and funny. The moment he would arrive on set, the entire atmosphere would change, and we'd all be like being entertained, and the set would be all cheerful and jovial. So, and he's also very considerate towards his actors. So he'd give me this, suggestions and stuff. And he's very, very kind and very generous. So I had a wonderful time working with him, and I really hope to work with him again very sometime soon. And Nitya again, she's gorgeous. She's talented. She sings so well. So I've heard her sing in various different languages. She speaks, I think, two or three different languages, or maybe more. And yeah, we would bond on music. We would, whatever time we had, we'd have like a wonderful chat. And she's grounded. She's very simple, very sweet. So all such things, really matter when you're working together. So I have had a great time working on Breathe. Yeah.
Abhishek, usually has this habit of pulling pranks and making the environment quite entertaining on the sets behind the scenes also. So, were there any kind of anecdote that you still remember, or any moments that you still cherish from the behind the scenes?
He's yeah, I mean, definitely he really doesn't leave anybody. He's very very always like pulling the leg and all such things, and he's very sweet about it. Moments that I can remember, they're very personal to me actually. It's more like it's just something that I don't even find how I can express it. But yeah, I remember he would always offer coffee to anybody who's sitting around him. And I remember the first time he offered me coffee, and I said, I was a bit shy and I said no, because I didn't know how to say, like what to say, and I said no. And then I was thinking that, oh my God, Shruti, if Abhishek Bachchan offers you coffee, you should drink it. So the next time when he offered me coffee again, without thinking twice, I just said yes. And then I was like, okay, thankfully now he might think that I'm polite. So, that's just something silly that goes on in my head, but he's very sweet. He's very kind.
Moving ahead, Breathe has left us to what you say, a very intriguing, has been left on a very intriguing point. Do you have any clue, or would you be able to shed any kind of more light as to what do we have in the next season?
Oh.
And are you going to be a part of it?
You think I'm going to come out of the dead and be a part of it? I hope so, if that's possible.
In some other way.
I don't know, maybe if we can have like a backstory of Natasha, I don't mind. I definitely don't mind. But as far as how I can see, there seems no chance. But besides that, I think it's left us on a very, very, very intriguing turn, So everybody's been asking me about what C16 is, but honestly, I really don't know. And even if I knew, I wouldn't share it.
Alright, Shruti. So before we wind up, when are we gonna see you next? In which projects?
I have a film called Chitrakoot, directed by Himanshu Malik, and we are hoping that it releases once the theatres open up. Besides that, I can't really talk about anything. I'm going through. I'm talking to people about scripts and stuff. So I'll probably take a decision soon, and I'll let you know.
All right. One last message for your fans.
Well, thank you so much, all of you, for supporting me and sending in so much of love, such encouragement and beautiful wishes. It means a lot to me, and it's really inspired me and motivated me to take up better work and grow myself, grow within as an actor and as a person. So thank you so very much. And for all those who haven't watched Breathe yet, please go and watch Breathe Into the Shadows right now. Thank you so much.
All right, Shruti, thank you so much. It was great connecting with you.
It was my pleasure.
Yes, thank you so much, Shruti.
Same here.
You too, take care.
Same
And please
here.
stay safe.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.